Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video I will share tutorial about on how to repair LG automatic washing machine with error code DL or door lock. So let's get started. As you can see, after start the process the error code was appear on display, meaning the automatic washing machine was trapped the abnormality and abort to continue. Next thing to do is to remove the lock door mechanism located at the right side of the upper cover of automatic washing machine. Upon checking door lock mechanism, we found defective micro switch that cannot send signal to program IC for continuing the process. Remove the defective micro switch and replaced with new one. I can't find same micro switch, but I have idea on how to transfer other parts from old to new. As you can see, I transfer perfectly and I already fixed it to lock door mechanism. So let's try it to know if the automatic washing machine was in normal operation. As you can see, the automatic washing machine were back in normal operation and ready to use. Place the door lock mechanism for final fix and final test. The LG automatic washing machine was working perfectly. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to notify you if we have a new uploaded video tutorial. Thanks for watching guys, see you on my next video tutorial.